Welcome back to Profit Powerhouse. If you're watching the stock market closely, then today's episode is for you. With Trump's new tariffs on auto imports about to be announced, investors are reacting fast, and Wall Street is feeling the impact. Stocks are shifting, and some major companies are already seeing declines. So, what does this mean for the economy, businesses, and, most importantly, you? Stick with us as we break it all down step by step. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest financial insights. Before we dive in, let's clarify that this video is strictly for informational and educational purposes. Understanding market trends and government policies can help us make better financial decisions, but always consult a financial expert before making any major moves. Now, let's get into it. As we watch the market today, Wall Street is in a state of uncertainty. The Dow Jones dropped more than 100 points, while major automakers, including General Motors and Tesla, saw declines of over 3%. This reaction is directly tied to the anticipated tariffs on auto imports. But what exactly does this mean for the economy? Let's analyze. Taking a closer look at the stock market heat map, we can see how different sectors are performing in real time. The heat map shows the top 500 stocks, where red indicates a drop and green signals a rise. Right now, a large portion of the automotive industry is in the red, reflecting investor concerns over rising costs and potential trade disruptions. Joining us today is Julian Kent, Senior Business and Tech Correspondent, to help us understand the real-world effects of these tariffs. With constant changes in trade policies, it's easy to get lost in the updates. So, Julian, how will these tariffs affect consumers and businesses in the United States? Thanks for having me. What we expect from the White House announcement today is a detailed outline of how these tariffs will work. We already see a negative impact on automaker stocks, which includes Tesla, Ford, and General Motors. The core idea behind these tariffs is to encourage domestic production, reducing reliance on foreign auto parts. However, this could backfire. Nearly half of all vehicles sold in the US are imported, or at least rely heavily on foreign manufactured parts. The new tariffs will increase costs for manufacturers, making it harder for them to keep vehicle prices competitive. In reality, automakers are likely to pass these costs on to consumers, leading to higher prices for both new and used cars. While the White House aims to boost American manufacturing, the reality is that it takes 18 to 24 months to build new facilities and increase job numbers. That means, in the short term, we're likely to see price hikes rather than job growth. If you remember the pandemic era, when used car prices skyrocketed due to supply chain disruptions, we could see a similar trend. The broader economic impact could be significant. Higher car prices mean fewer consumers can afford new vehicles, leading to increased demand for used cars, raising their prices. Rising production costs for manufacturers, affecting their profit margins. Job uncertainty in the auto sector, as companies try to balance production with rising costs. President Trump has called April 2nd Liberation Day, signaling a major policy shift. But while he aims to strengthen the American workforce, the reality may be different. Increases in car prices could slow down consumer spending, affecting multiple industries beyond automobiles. For investors, this period of uncertainty means increased market volatility. If you're trading stocks, here are some things to consider. Watch auto industry trends. The next few weeks will determine whether these stocks recover. Monitor government announcements. Policy details will shape the market's response. Diversify your investments. Relying too much on a single sector can be risky. These new tariffs will undoubtedly shape the auto industry and economy in the coming months. What do you think? Will the White House's strategy work, or will it lead to even higher costs for consumers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Profit Powerhouse, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.